Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video we will discuss about the anatomy of the ribs. We will study its number, structure and types in detail. Ribs जो है elongated, flattened, arc बोन है जो कि लार्ज पार्ट ऑफ द लेटरल thoracic wall बनाता है. इन नंबर्स मेल और फीमेल में 12 पेयर और रिब्स 12 पेयर्स ऑफ रिब्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं. सही. अगर आर्टिकुलेशन की बात करें, posteriorly head of the ribs articulate with thoracic vertebrae. For example, this is thoracic vertebra and you can see that this is the head of the rib which articulate with one or two thoracic vertebra. This is head of ribs, and the red color is thoracic vertebrae. एंटीरियरली रिब्स जो है आर्टिकुलेट करता है विद द स्टर्नम थ्रू कोस्टल कार्टिलेज. अगर मैं यहाँ ड्रॉ कर लूँ, दिस इज एंटीरियर एंड ऑफ द रिब्स. This part is sternum, if we can see that the anterior part of the rib articulate with sternum through costal cartilage. The red which I draw is costal cartilage. And in the basis of anterior articulation, ribs are divided into three types. One is true ribs. Number second is fall ribs, and third is floating ribs. True ribs 1 to 7 pair of ribs are true ribs. These ribs are directly articulate with the sternum through their individual costal cartilage. Fall ribs 8 to 10 pair of ribs are fall ribs. The true ribs are directly articulation with the sternum, and fall ribs are indirectly articulate with sternum through 7 costal cartilage. And floating ribs 11 to 12 pairs of ribs. These are floating ribs. These ribs do not attach with sternum. These are floating are free in the abdominal cavity. And if we can see in diagram, these in the red color, these are true ribs which directly articulate with the sternum through the individual costal cartilage. The green color, these are fall ribs which are articulate with the sternum through individual 7 costal cartilage. And the floating ribs, the blue color which are floating ribs, these ribs are freely in the abdominal cavity. Thank you for watching. The next type we will discuss in other video.